Nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Kim. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
I'm head of finance for Alcon.
yeah. Nice to see you. I'm Dr. Kim. We have an open view operating room, and families can look what we are doing, and they can feel comfortable, feel safe when they are doing surgery.
First time I'm experiencing a
really?
open
Yeah.
surgery. It's an innovative idea.
Good idea.
I want to be a good partner of Alcon. We will do good things for the future and the patients and better visual quality and vision. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you very much. Oh, that's a flower.
Pro. It's a kind of advisory.